Hi guys, and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Today we're back at Leaf Sprung Landis, and we have been continuing on our project Aussie 109. So since I last posted up a video, there's been more work gone into the vehicle, and we'll start here with the dash, where Emrys, who works here at Leaf Sprung Landis, has been finishing off the internal wiring. So we now have lights, temperature gauge, fuel sender all working. So that's all done now, and the dash lights. So if I can show you, I'll just turn the ignition on. We have power, there you go, which is grand. Now actually the fuel sender does work, but it isn't fully hooked up at the back where the fuel tank is, but it does work because we've tested it. But down here is the dip switch, and we put the mats in as well today, just to stop the floors getting scratched to death. But if I press that on, there you go. Oh, it's gone off. If I just press it in again, there you go. You can just see that the light is coming on. And if we go round the front here, wow, I can feel the heat coming off them now. Ta-da! Look at that. So we've got the dip switch working, and the headlights are on there, so that's good. So we've got that done today. Marvellous. So I'll just turn that off. Okay, and we'll have a look else what we've done. Ah, yes, the and we've also got the Lucas windscreen wipers working as well. It's all been done. I'll just turn the dips. Okay, and also what else? We've been trial fitting the rest of the door tops on today, and seeing where they fit up with the hood sticks frame and the door top frames, then how they mate with the seals. And this is cool as well, I love this. If you can see that there, you can see where it's been wrote on in pencil, and it says blah, blah, oil change, new filter, and it gives you certain dates and mileage. So I can pick up 1963 oil change and new filter at 18,600 miles, and then we've got a list of oil change dates. I can see 68, 69, and we've got 66, 68, 70, well it's all a bit jumbled up actually, but if you can look there you can make it out down to 1975. So that's pretty cool. I like all that, that's on there, that's nice. So yeah, we've been trial fitting the doors. Well, just legged myself up. I did say as well, I didn't do it, but the indicators are all wired in and working, except we are changing them for these ones here, where we're having a flasher signal and side lighting one. What else? Yeah, we've got the other side door on today, and it's been a bit of a faff, but it's easier with two people. We've been getting the one of the front wings on, so that's pretty much on now. It's nice and solid. So yeah, that's been going on today. And in fact, actually, since the last video, if you remember, and also if you look on the channel you'll find it, we were putting the truck cab on, but we decided that we'd just go straight for hood sticks, as that was going to be the plan all along anyway, was to run it with a truck cab and then put the hood sticks on and get a canvas done at undercover covers. But we've decided just to go ahead and put the hood sticks on. So we've been doing that. And we also got another tailgate to put on this. Now this is a proper Series 1 one. It needs a tiny bit of repairs there and there, but you won't see that because the bracketry's got to go on. But it's nice and straight, and it's pretty much the right colour for the vehicle, and that means we don't have to use that Series 2 one that we picked up for it. So that'll just keep as a spare. But yeah, so it's coming along nicely now. Also as well, you can just see over there, that's the back body for it. And I think last time we were here, my dad had just started taking out the running strips in the back body. We're going to get rid of them completely, clean up the floor, and we're just going to put a big thick mat in the back as well. And I think as well we're going to ply the boxes at the side where the wheel arches are and everything, and just ply them out as well, smarten them up, because they're a bit dented and whatnot. We're not going to really use them, so we're just going to ply it out and tidy it up. But that's a big job, the back body, and that'll be we'll be getting onto that soon. But yeah, so we're cracking on now, and it's going rather well. Brakes still need to be all bled up. That's got to be done. And I think the electrics are probably 90% done. Obviously the lights have got to be all wired in properly, front and rear. I think some of the loom is there by the looks of it. At the back, you can see a bit of loom there, but it is coming along nicely. So yeah, very, very happy with how it was going with this. Can't wait to be firing it up soon. I did say we'd try and fire it up on the next video, which would have been today, but we might leave it till next time. We'll see. Yeah, we'll probably leave it to the next video. But say nearly all this is all wired up now. There isn't a great deal left. It's just mainly things like lights and things like that. But it's all getting there. Obviously we need to bring the other door top for that side. Yeah, Dad's put a bracket on here. We're going to have the wing mirrors. Well, originally we were thinking of putting the wing mirrors here, but we might actually mount them where this bolt comes through for the windscreen to the bulkhead. Not 100%, but I think that's the way it's going to go. Yeah, so that is where we're at, really. So it's coming along nicely. Right, we'll leave that for now, and what I'll do is we'll get another video to you soon when we've done some more work on the vehicle. So cheers for checking this one out. If you consider giving the channel a subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, and we'll have more videos soon on the progress on our Project Aussie 109. So yeah. Right. Oh, actually, before I go, I forgot as well. We've got the horn all wired in, the indicator switches there on the steering, well, the horn, steering horn column. Where actually on my series one at home, you can see I've got a panel that goes here with my indicators on. I actually quite like it there. It's a bit easier there for when you're driving, but that's just personal preference. I'm not going to go and change mine. Yeah, so there we go. I'm going to just leave you with that image there. I think that is so cool, with all the oil change and new filter and dates on it. It was done, I'm hoping, maybe see if my dad will carry on. Be good if he did, but we'll see. Right, so yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, cheers guys, take care of yourselves, and cheers for checking out this video. See you later.